Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing to Laravel 10 live search using jQuery Ajax. Step by step. This video already Jump server started, Apache and MySQL started. This my Jump server folder inside htdoc folder. Inside this project Laravel 10 latest version. This project. Open the CMD. This project site, open the CMD PHP artisan serve. This command line PHP artisan server. This URL copy and paste here. Successfully Laravel 10 latest version PHP successfully good working this project. Open the Sublime text editor. This project Sublime text editor open. Successfully all project folders Sublime text editor open. Otherwise second type open this project Laravel 10x public different. This PHP artisan this manually run. This project manually run. This project manually run. Laravel 10x inside public folder. This manually run. This project. This command line this open inside this work. This manually work on same project run. Let's start. First of all my project route inside web PHP open. This route inside my web PHP open. Inside new route create. Route name is route get live source. Live source. This route controller name live source. This controller live source controller class inside index function. This function successfully set. Live controller use app HTTPS and controller successfully set. This controller create control this my project inside app folder inside HTTPS inside controller. This controller not available. Let's start create this controller. Copy this name in this new controller PHP. Successfully create this controller. Let's check. Successfully create controller. Let's step by step set. PHP start. Open this controller PHP start. Name space app HTTPS inside controllers. Successfully set. This request set. Class this controller name. Yes, remove this and this controller name live source. This set successfully. This remove this not good. This inside new function create public function. Function name is index function. Inside request $request. Let's say echo hello and I. save file, and this web PHP file save. Copy this URL and slash paste here. Successfully hello working this PHP artisan server. This hello good working this manually. This good working this manually. Let's check manually good working, not a PHP artisan server. This manually working good. Let's step by step open this return view file. Return view, inside new file create live source. This file name live source. View folder open, not a file created. Let's check. Back button, click this, and resource inside not a file available. This file name. Let's start create this file name blade PHP. Successfully file create this. Let's check. Successfully file create this project inside resource inside view. Let's check. This file blank, not available. This save file and refresh here. Successfully set file call. This file inside this file call. Let's first of all my database name .env file open. .env file open. This database name a Laravel. This name database name a Laravel localhost PHP my PHP my admin open. Successfully PHP my admin open. Latest version PHP 8. This database name a Laravel. This project name my project name a Laravel. Let's start this step by step. Create new, click this new button inside new table. Create table name is employee. Successful table name is add. First ID, second name, third email, fourth created date, last this column once add. Update date add. Successfully add. Where date and time. 11 255 null and null. Auto increment short name AL. Primary key, select this primary key, auto increment short name AL. Successfully all set employee table and save file. This file successfully save. This table successfully create. Let's start insert the record. Insert, click in this one item, this test and test @gmail.com. Date and time, select this, select date and time and go button, click. First record successfully create. Let's second record create to admin @gmail.com. Second record create all dummy record. This all dummy record. Next search, insert this record. Third record insert test demo. Inside test demo @gmail.com. Create, successfully create and create. Go button, this click. 3 record create. Next insert fourth record error solution and error solution at the gmail.com and click this. Successfully record for create this table. First of all, new table create and dummy record insert. Let's start. So enter this successfully set this hello. Let's start. Open this model folder, app inside model inside new model create. Model name is employee models. Let's create this model 1 user PHP model only available. This model name create user employee model. Create new file employee capital in model PHP. Successfully create this model. This model is the blank. Let's set this model. Successfully set this name employee model, this name, and table name this table name, employee table name, all set. This name employee model and this table name employee. New create this table. Successfully add. Let's start step by step. This file open. And HTML code start. HTML Laravel 10 live search. Successfully live search this title. Let's refresh. Successfully title set this manually refresh. This manually project run. Successfully set this title. First file add all CDN file. A link sref for CDN file. Add this file, add this live file, CDN file. Main bootstrap main.js rel style this style sheet. Copy this name and check live CDN file. Good working this file. Good working CDN file. Div class container and tile margin top pasas px. Div class row, div class call lg and 3, div class call lg 6 and div class class call lg 3. All set. Let's start inside this coding. 6 inside this coding, S3 and S4. Good S4 means big font, and 3. This 3 is good. Class text align center and text align primary key. Primary number. Auto complete live source box. Let's save file and this refresh this page. Successfully set and refresh this page. This manually run this project. Div class form group S4 this type first by ID name and email all search input text this text source name this source name ID source placeholder enter your source name in class from controller and on focus name this dot value is equal to this set save div ID is equal to source list. Let's set all coding step by step writing this all coding. All file add step by step script src. First file this jQuery main js cdn. This file cdn jQuery main js. This cdn file is run. Let's check successfully this jQuery main file live good working cdn file. Second file script src main pop-up main js. This second file is this file. This file check live. Let's check good working live file in good working. And last third file script src and bootstrap main js. This last file bootstrap main js and check this good working. All three file set and to one file this good cdn file live file. This writing this code all code script javascript add document dot ready function. This ID name this source name this source dollar source on key up keep this function. This closed name variable query, new variable create query $this val set $Ajax start URL, new create this URL name source, URL create step by step. First all create type, method is get, data name is this name, source name this source name, copy this id, this source name, copy this source name and paste here is equal to this query. Success function data pass inside dollar this source list, copy this name and id set and HTML data all set, this page all set, all step by step set. Copy this name and web PHP open, route get this source name, URL source and method is the get method, get, this get method and source, this live source controller class, new function create live source table, this table value new function create. Let's create, copy this function name live source table and new function create public function, this function create request $request, all successfully set. Refresh this page, all set, this form set, input type this set, this remove, save file and refresh is the not available set, Ctrl Z and save, successfully set. All step by step writing this all code and this create inside this model, let's start step by step. If request $request Ajax successfully set is Ajax, this model add use models inside new model create models inside this model, copy this name and successfully add, set this model $data is equal to this model, paste here where this table id name, this id name, first id, this id set like query like percentage dot and percentage, and request $request inside this source name, this name source, check, and this source name successfully add. Or where second this column name, this name add like percentage dot this percentage $request inside name, this source name, right? Source name, not a name. Or where email, this name email inside like query percentage this name $request email source name, all this source name, this source name, all set this source name, request inside, and last get. Done. This data set $new way output is equal to blank if count $data variable create and paste here, this variable paste div null and $else part, this else output, this variable output copy and paste here, this output is equal to this and close. Where is the blank? On where remove table class table is equal to table, close this table inside t head t head means remove s, t head t head tr and tr ts scope is equal to call, here means id, copy name, paste and paste this name and email, all set, t head set and t body start, t body forest loop start, this forest $data output inside $data copy this name $data is $row, this copy this and dot t body table. This called set table. This output add this forest loop start. This output variable copy dot is equal to close this tr and tr close. ts class scope is equal to row $row and this database id, this id, name and email step by step add. This scope remove td this name and email set. This tr close. All set. In else part, copy this variable and paste here dot no result found. Save file. Successfully set all coding. First of all, database name, inside this table create, route create, all route, and this controller create, this file create, all step by step add, then this model add. Let refresh this page. Syntax error this 539. Controller open, this close means save this file. Successfully good working. This 9 number add not a record. 1 number is add. Let's check, refresh, this not working, wait check. Admin let's check, this not working, let's check this response is the response good, not working. Let's start this check all step by step, this close this inside this output, inside return this output dollar output and close this. All set, not a all good, this working fine. Let's check again, close this database name, not a id available 7, this id 7 add and check, not a result found, this 7 id not a available. Let's check 4 number id, this 4 number, this add 4 number, error solution available, good. This 3 number id add, this 3 number, this test demo all. Let's save. this admin@gmail.com add admin@gmail.com this available, all available. Let's check test demo live search live not working, all successfully set as this demo item, this all, this name add good working, this add this one test available, all data live search in this tab, all step by step set, all this output last add as it is. Please my error, so this good working, this manually working, this stop in close this not a working, this PHP artisan not a working. Let's check this not working connection disable, this close this manually, this good working. Let's check manually working, phone number is available, this available, 3 number available, this manually good working, this PHP artisan this closed, this manually, this PHP artisan server. Please error solution my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.